Good evening. Today we are going to discuss about uh, plant breeding for disease resistant plants. Disease resistant. So, what is the concept of here, sir? We know very well the crops are affected by bacteria, fungus, and virus mainly. So, then bacteria, virus, the fungal organisms affected the crop, then crop yield is reduced up to 20 to 30%. Crop yield reduced up to 20 to 30%. Sometimes total crop also may chance to loss. Then what to do, sir? How we control? How we are going to control this affection of the bacteria, fungus, and virus? Then agriculture farmers preferred using of fungicides, insecticides, to insecticides to control of bacteria, virus, and fungal organism. So, but when using of these chemical pesticides, fungicides, bactericides, these are all more expensive to the farmer. Not only expensive to the farmer, it's these are chemicals na causing harm to the human beings. Not only that, and it's a target to the it is harm to the non-targeted organisms. Means, for example, one organism is affected the crop. When using of these fungicides or insecticides or bactericides, not only targeted organism, but also other organisms also make chance to destroy. So biodiversity may chance to loss. So what to do? So instead of using of these chemical pesticides, disease resistant cultivars need to be developed by plant breeding technique. Disease resistant. For example, some bacterial, fungal, viral diseases. Bacterial diseases, citrus canker. Citrus canker caused by Xanthomonas citri organism. Citrus canker is a bacterial disease. Citrus canker. Black rot of crucifer. Black rot of crucifer caused by bacteria. Xanthomonas campestris. These are bacterial diseases. For example, fungal organism. Cultotrichum fulcatum fungus causing red rot of sugarcane. Red rot of sugarcane. Late blight of potato. Phytophthora infestans organism. Late blight of potato caused by Phytophthora infestans. So these are the fungal organism. Virus, tobacco mosaic disease in tobacco plants caused by tobacco mosaic virus. Turnip mosaic caused by turnip mosaic virus. So these are the diseases. Question: which of the following is a bacterial diseases? Which of the following is a fungal disease? Last time question, AIMS question. Citrus canker caused by A. Bacteria, B. Fungus, C. Virus, D. Protozoans, like that question. Bacteria. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? Which of the following is not a bacterial disease? Such type of questions. So some cultivars are developed here. I am going to share the document. You look it on the screen. Yeah, just look at on the screen. Just now I said plant breeding for disease resistance. When bacteria, fungus and virus affect the crops, crop losses up to 20 to 30% are sometimes total also. So disease resistant cultivars need to be developed. Disease resistant cultivars enhance food production and helps to reduce the use of fungicides and bactericides. This is very important. Some fungal organisms, rust, brown rust of wheat. Brown rust of wheat caused by Puccinia graminis triticii brown rust of wheat, fungal disease. Red rot of sugarcane caused by Coltotrichum fulcatum. Late blight of potato caused by Phytophthora infestans. Bacterial diseases, black rot of crucifer, Xanthomonas campestris. Viral disease, tobacco mosaic caused by tobacco mosaic virus. Turnip mosaic caused by turnip mosaic viruses. So instead of using chemical pesticides, new cultivars, disease resistant cultivars developed by this plant breeding. There are methods for plant breeding for disease resistance. Two types are there. Conventional plant breeding, mutational plant breeding. A conventional plant breeding means what, sir? So there are 4 steps are there. Screening germplasm for resistant sources. Second one, hybridization of selected parents. Third one, selection and evaluation. Fourth, testing and release. What are the steps are followed in development of new cultivar in plant breeding? That's maximum same steps involved in conventional plant breeding techniques. These are the 4 steps. Identify correct order also. Screening germplasm, hybridization, selection and evaluation, testing and release of new cultivars. For example, by above process, by conventional plant breeding techniques, some new crops are developed in different some new varieties are developed in different crops. For example, wheat. A wheat variety Himgiri, very important. Himgiri is nothing but resistant to the leaf and stripe rust or hill bunt disease. So in wheat caused by fungal organism. So then to resistant to this fungus in wheat, leaf and stripe rust, hill bunt, new variety developed by conventional breeding technique, that is Himgiri. Himgiri is a which variety? Wheat variety. Brassica, Pusa swarnim, new variety, are also called Karanrai. It is resistant to white rust. This is also fungal affection. So V2 Brassica fungal affections. Himgiri, Pusa swarnim resistant to the fungal diseases. Cauliflower. Cauliflower new variety Pusa subra or Pusa snowball K1. These are resistant to black rot and curl blight black rot, bacterial diseases. Cowpea new variety Pusa komal. It is resistant to bacterial blight. So cauliflower and cowpea bacterial infection. To resistant to bacterial infection, Pusa subra, Pusa snowball K1, Pusa komal new varieties are developed. Chili, Pusa sadabahar variety crop resistant to chili mosaic virus or tobacco mosaic virus or leaf curl. So questions, matching questions also very important. Even tables also, these tables are very important. Which of the following is a wheat variety? Which of the following is a cowpea variety? Which of the following is resistant to chili mosaic virus in chili? Pusa sadabahar. Questions, recall. Sonalika, wheat variety. Kalyan Sona, wheat variety. Himgiri, wheat variety. Pusa sadabahar, which variety? Chili. Cowpea, Pusa komal, very important. Cowpea, Pusa komal. So questions, such type of questions may chance to ask here. Conventional breeding techniques, we are discussing this one. A conventional breeding is constrained by the availability of the limited number of disease resistant genes. Availability of the limited number of genes. Then not availability, what to do, sir? That's done by the mutations. Mutation mean we know very well, sudden changes in DNA. When we induce the mutations in crops, then changes in DNA, changes in genotype, changes in phenotype character to resistant to the particular diseases. You just look it on the screen. The mutational breeding. Mutation can create new desirable characters not found in the parental type. already found that is induced by the conventional breeding, that okay. If not there, what to do, sir? If the character not present in that parent, that is induced by mutational breeding. Mutational breeding is the breeding by mutation using chemicals or radiations, mainly gamma rays. Mutational breeding is the breeding by mutation using chemicals or radiations, mainly gamma rays, to produce plants with desirable characters. Such plants are selected and multiplied directly, used as a source in breeding. Mutational breeding. For example, mung bean. Mung bean is nothing but resistant to yellow mosaic virus. Mung bean resistant to which of the following disease? Yellow mosaic virus. Powdery mildew. Powdery mildew. In mung bean, resistant to yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew were induced by mutations. Very, very, very important. Mung bean resistant to which of the following? Yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew. Mung bean is which? Mung bean is produced by which of the following? Mutational breeding. Then one more variety. Generally resistant gene from wild species have introduced into the high yielding cultivated varieties. Means, for example, some crops having disease resistant capacity, but they did not having high yielding capacity. That time what to do? That gene is introduced here along with a disease resistant to high yield crop. Both will comes. For example, bendi, Abelmascus esculentus, bendi scientific name. So in bendi Abelmascus esculentus, resistant to yellow mosaic virus, the gene was transferred from a wild species. When resulted a new variety, that Abelmascus esculentus called Parbani Kranti. Parbani Kranti is a bendi. Abelmascus esculentus is a bendi. A Parbani Kranti is nothing but resistant to yellow mosaic virus and high yield production. Both will be there. Very, very, very important. Very, very important. By mutational breeding, can you give some example? It's just now given. Mung bean, resistant to yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew. Parbani Kranti, resistant to yellow mosaic virus. We are discussing disease resistant plants produced by plant breeding. Now insect resistant plants produced by plant breeding techniques. How bacteria, fungus and virus affect the crops and reduce the crop yield. The same to same, some insects also affected the crop and reduced the crop yield. Instead of that, to prevent this, agriculture farmers are using insecticides to control this type of insects. We just told about those. Insecticides are chemicals causing harm. Destroy the biodiversity, means target to the non-targeted organisms. Expensive to the farmer. So that's why insect resistant cultivars need to be developed. Sir, how are insect resistant developed? Insect resistant plants, how they are going to develop? So insect resistant crops are developed by changes of the physical, morphological, biochemical, physiological characters into the host organism. For example, I am a host. If I am like this, some organism may come and attacks here. If then these morphological changes, that organism no chance to attack. So changes of morphological characters, changes of biochemical characters, changes of physiological characters resistant to the insects. So then these changes takes place in host organism. When changes takes place in host organism, that host organism is resistant to that particular insects. That is very, very important concept. So when insect came to here, what character it is preferred, the insect in the host organism, that character is changed here. Then produce insect resistant crops. You just look at on the screen. I am going to explain through the document. Just look at on the screen. Plant breeding for developing resistant to the insect pests. Just now some concepts had been explained. Morphological, biochemical or physiological characteristics give insect resistance to the in host crop plants. For example, hairy leaves. Hairy leaves resistant to the different crops. For example, hairy leaves, it is resistant to the gesseits in cotton, cereal leaf beetle in wheat. If hairy leaves are there, gesseits are not gesseits are not came to attack on cotton. Cereal leaf beetle is not came to attack in wheat plant. Hairy leaves. Morphological character changes here. Solid stems in wheat. Solid stems in wheat lead to non-preference by the stem offline. That is very, very important. If solid stem is not preferred by the stems offline in wheat plant, that is also nothing but morphological character. Smooth-leaved and nectarless cotton varieties. Smooth-leaved nectarless cotton varieties do not attract the bollworms. So, if not smooth leaves, that are attracted by bollworms. If smooth leaves, morphological character. Nectarless cotton varieties, that biochemical character, do not attract the bollworms. So changes of morphological, biochemical or physiological characters. This is very, very important. High aspartic acid, low nitrogen and sugar content in maize leads to resistance in maize stem borers. So, for example, in maize, maize character, high aspartic acid, low nitrogen and sugar content, it is resistant to stem borer. So, chances of question, in maize, resistant to stem borer, what type of characters need to be changed? High aspartic acid, low nitrogen and sugar content. This is very, 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 very important. Sources of resistant genes are cultivated varieties. Germplasm collections of the crop are relatives. For example, some crops are developed resistant to the insect pest. Crop name Brassica, mustard anana, Brassica. So variety is a Pusa Gaurav, resistant to the aphids, insect pest. Aphids. Pusa Gaurav, which variety? Brassica. Resistant to which diseases? Resistant to which pest? Aphids. Flat bean, variety Pusa Sem2, Pusa Sem3. It is resistant to gesseits, aphids and fruit borer, insects. Okra, Bendi, okra. Its a variety is a Pusa Savani, Pusa A4, resistant to shoot and fruit borer. Pusa Savani, Pusa A4 resistant to which of the following pests? Shoot and fruit borers. Flat bean, which variety resistant to insect pests? Pusa Sem2, Pusa Sem3. Pusa Gaurav, which variety? Brassica. Pusa Savani, which variety? Okra. Bendi, which of the following is the Bendi varieties? Abelmascus vesculentus, Bendi. Parbanicranthi, Bendi. Okra, Bendi. Pusa Savani, Pusa A4. These are all Bendi. So among these, which of the following is resistant to the insect pest? Pusa Savani, Pusa A4. Sonalika, which variety? Wheat. Himgiri, which variety? Wheat. Sonalika, Kalyan, Sona, Himgiri. Very, very, very important. Pusa Sadabahar, resistant to chili mosaic virus. Variety, chili variety. Virus resistant. These are nothing but plant breeding for developing resistant to insect pests. You have any doubt? Chance to ask. Thank you.